what if the reason you can't stick to a healing routine is because nobody has built one for where you actually are today? Most apps assume you wake up feeling okay. They give you a checklist, a reminder, a streak to maintain. But friend, when your nervous system is dysregulated, a streak feels like a threat. A checklist feels like a test that you didn't study for. So I built something different. The Humble Healing app. It asks you one question first. How are you feeling right now? Shut down, overwhelmed, searching for hope, and then it meets you exactly there. No pressure, no shaming, just a gentle path forward at your pace. There's even a squirrel brain planner inside because some days 3 tasks is just more than enough. And on the really hard days, there's a crisis mode that just holds you. No alarms, no emergency language, just calm.